Alright, so as most of you know, I recently bit the bullet and ordered this Giken Super Lock LSD for my 240. Why? I mean, I already have a LSD, but I've never had a 1.5 way, and I've never had one made by Giken. Supposedly it's like the best of the best, or it's really good. Anyways, so I wanted to find out. And here's the unboxing of it. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to open the flaps and it's just going to be, well, here's an LSD. Congratulations. But let's find out. By the way, I'm going to try my best not to, like, crush Kermit with this LSD. Let's move the box a little closer, just for safety. Alright, so it's not just an LSD, it's stickers. Stickers which are really cool, which I'm probably never gonna run on the car because cops yo, so maybe I'll run them on my laptop cover or whatever. Anyways, very nice. Okay. Alright, so very protected. This is like one of those parody things where there's like a bunch of boxes inside the bigger box. Okay, officially the top of it. This is where the ring gear would bolt up to, and this is really hard to take apart with one hand, but I'm gonna try. This is my strong hand, but it's not strong enough apparently. All right, there we go. You know what? Let's just roll this out of here. It's probably the worst unboxing vid ever. Teach me to buy an actual tripod. Worst unboxing vid ever for one of the most expensive diffs I've ever bought ever. Oh man, the contradictions are too good. Let's see if there's anything else that was in here. No, nothing. Nothing. I think that's it. That's actually a really good. That's actually a really good box. Let's focus on the packaging. They did a really good job of making this box real protective. It's more than just a square with a bunch of packing peanuts inside or whatever. Man, they really went through the effort. That's where the extra $500 goes into probably. Anyways, so I thought this video was gonna be like many minutes long, but it's as I suspected. You open up the box and so here's the LSD. Yay. And of course you can take it apart, which I will maybe do. I mean, they say it's already assembled to the best specs, or the recommended specs. It's a 1.5 way LSD and it's set up for road race supposedly. But you know what, I might just check to make sure whatever bolts are holding this together are tight. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you can see those. There's a couple of bolts like this one right here. We can focus on it, that go around the diff, and I guess this is what holds it all together. I'm probably just going to make sure those ones are tightened up properly, just so there are no accidents. And then we'll just put on the ring gear, and it's good to know that I will have to buy some side bearings for this. So I'll get those from Nissan and toss this guy into the car. Yeah, that was... Anyways, see you next time.